So, just got my first parts in for the build. Skating WRX build. Project Bugway. Let's have a look what we got here. Yes, nicely packaged. Oh, here you go. Right, so all the way from the US of A to the small island of Cyprus. Right, so let's have a look. Come in, let's get a closer look. So we've got our Manly forged pistons. As you can tell, guys, I've probably already opened them. So we've got our rings. We've got our pistons here. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Nice, nice. Great quality, great quality. Happy with that one, definitely. Then we move on. We have our, have a look what we got here. These are our rods, Brian Crowell rods. Some instructions. Oh yeah, look at those. APR bolts, Brian Crowell rods, rated to 175 horsepower per rod. So you can work that out by 4, obviously. Bit of power there we can push. Won't be pushing all that power, but somewhere along those lines. We'll see where the build takes us. So that's those. Then we move on to our Brian Power titanium valve springs and retainers right there. They're a beauty. Right there, folks. Nice. And last but not least, here we've got our, haven't opened these up yet, but I'm sure you can take a guess what they are. We've got our APR head snub bolts kit, 11mm they are, which will be going on as well, which will seal our heads and our gaskets quite well over high boost. So, right, that's our first shipment, guys. We're going to have got a few more parts coming, so as they come, I'll be revealing what they are. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned to the build. So we've got some more parts just arrived today. About to open them up for the first time. I think it's the it's going to be the head gaskets and spark plugs to continue the build. Let's see. Always exciting getting some new parts. Alright, let's get rid of this. So let's have a look at what we got. We're wrapping. And we have the Tomei head gaskets. These are 1mm thick on these ones. This is for my build, of course, depending on where your pistons are going to come up to the top of the top, how thick you want to get them. So we got that, and of course, we have some HKS spark plugs as well. We got a colder plug that we ordered. And yeah, that looked really good. So that's what we've got at the moment. Build's taking a bit longer than expected. Had a few hiccups along the way with setting up the engine, but It's all coming together slowly. It takes a bit of time and takes a lot of patience when doing a build like this. So anyway, I'll still keep you posted on the rest of the build and especially on the engine build. Thanks.